Very good morning, 8th class students. Successfully we completed square roots and cube root chapter. Today I am going to explain new chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. First of all, we have to know basics. First, what is the meaning of variable? Variable is nothing but unknown quantity, a symbol which takes various numerical values. For example, here there are two persons. The two persons, they have 10 rupees together. They have 10 rupees together. It means I don't know what is the amount with first person and what is the amount with second person. We can express x plus y is equal to 10. The combination, it means two persons. Let the amount with first person x and let the amount with second person y. So that together they have 10 rupees. So x plus y is equal to 10. It means x and y unknown quantities. It means I don't know what is the amount with first person, what is the amount with second person. Generally, to express variables, we use alphabet x, y, z, a, b, c, p, q, etc. So then after I am going to algebraic expressions. What is the meaning of algebraic expressions? It contains constant terms, variables with mathematical operations. So what is the meaning of mathematical operations? There are four: plus, minus, into and division and subtraction. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 2. 3 is a number, x variable, plus is a mathematical operations, 4y plus 2, 2 is constant term. X plus 6, 3x square plus 4x plus 7, 3x plus 4y by 7. So, what is the meaning of algebraic expression? A combination of constants and variable connected with mathematical operations is called an algebraic expression. So, here the students, what is the equation? An algebraic equation in is equality of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. What is the meaning of equation? An algebraic equation is equality, means equal symbol of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. For example, 2x plus 3, x is a variable, 3 is a constant, and equality symbol. It is nothing but equation. And the equation, for example, the expression on the left of the equation is called LHS. For example, when 2x plus 3y is equal to 10, what is the left part of 2x plus 3? So 2x plus 3 is called the LHS part, left hand side. Then after, the expression on the right side of the, for example, 10 plus 4x. What is the right side part? 10 plus 4x is a right side part. This is called RHS. And the value of RHS and LHS both are equal in equation. So now, what is the degree of an equation? For example, here 3x square plus 4x is equal to 10. Here one equation there. So in this equation, what are the variables? X and x are the variables. So from the two variables, what is the highest power? 2 is the highest power. So degree of that equation is 2. Next, take some more examples. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. In this, what is the variable? X is the variable. What is the power of the variable? 1. So, degree of this equation is 1. Third example. 4x plus 5y is equal to 10. Here, two variables are there. What is the degree of x? 1. And what is the degree of, what is the power of y? 1. So, the degree of this equation is 1. But I need not an equation, I need what is the linear equation? Linear equation. I need a linear equation. So what what is the meaning of linear equation? An equation whose degree is 1 is called a linear equation. For example, here 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. What is the degree of this one? Degree of this equation is 1. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 10 is called a linear equation. What is the meaning of linear equation? An equation which degree is 1 is called a linear equation. For example, I am taking one another example. 4x plus 7y is equal to 10. So here two variables are there. What are the two variables? X is one variable and y is one variable. What is the power of the x? 1. And what is the power of the y? 1. So degree of this equation is also 1. It is also linear equation but in two variables. So in previous example 3x plus 4 is equal to 10. Here only one variable there. So this is linear equation. But this one is linear equation in one variable. But here 4x plus 7y is equal to 10. The degree of given equation is 1. It is also linear equation but in two variables. For example, 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 6. So degree x by power of x1, power of 1 by power of z also 1. So the degree of this equation is also 1. It is also a linear equation but in three variables. So finally, what is the meaning of linear equation? An equation whose degree 1 is called a linear equation. Maybe it contains one variable or two variable or more. If one variable, linear equation one variable. If two are there, linear equation two variables or more. So here are students, here some examples. Linear equations in one variable. 4x plus 10 is equal to 20, 3x is equal to 15. Now next step. What is the solutions? Here, rules for solving linear equations. What are the rules to solve linear equation? It means you have to find the value of variable. First rule, same quantity can be added to both sides. For example, here 4x is equal to 10. Same quantity means if I add plus 2 LHS side, you have to add a plus 2 RHS side. Same quantity can be added both sides. For example, if I add plus 3 left side, we can add plus 3 also right side. So this is the rule 1. Next rule 2. What is rule 2? Same quantity can be subtracted. Now what I explained? Second one, subtraction. It means same quantity you can add both sides or you can subtract both sides. For example, 4x is equal to 3. If I subtract minus 3, you have to subtract both sides. Next rule number 3. You can multiply same quantity on both sides. Here, in first case, I added same quantity on both sides. In second case, I am subtracting same quantity on both sides. Now third, I am multiplying same quantity on both sides. For example, if 4x is equal to 5. If I multiply 3 to 4x, then you have to multiply to 5 also. Next, what about fourth one? If I divide with 3 left side, you have to divide with 3 right side. So if you add, you have to add both sides. If you subtract, you have to subtract both sides. If you multiply same quantity, you have to multiply both sides. So, 8th class students, to solve the equations, we have to transpose terms right side to left side to right side. What happens if I transpose terms? What happens? For example, plus quantity term becomes minus quantity. What is the example? 4x minus 3 is equal to 10. Now I need the value of x. 4x plus 3 is equal to 10. I need the value of x. If I transpose plus 3 to right side, if I transpose plus 3 to right side, plus quantity become minus quantity. So what we can write? 4x is equal to 10 minus 3. 10 minus 3. Similarly, minus quantity become plus quantity. For example, 4x minus 3 is equal to 10. If I transpose minus 3 to right side, minus quantity become plus quantity. So what we can write? 4x is equal to 10 plus 3. Similarly, into, it means multiplication, quantity become division. For example, 4x is equal to 10. Now 4 is in multiplication. It became as a division. So what we can write? X is equal to 10 by 4. Similarly, division quantity become into quantity. It means 4x by 3 is equal to 5. What we can get here? 4x is equal to 5 into 3. So these are the rules to transform